You know the Dodge Challenger, that classic American muscle car silhouette with the long hood, white stance, and that unmistakable attitude. For 2026, the Challenger continues to stand out in a world full of modern crossovers and electric cars by proudly sticking to what it does best: raw muscle, bold design, and a personality you can feel before you even step on the gas. Right when you look at the 2026 Challenger, you get that familiar vibe. The front end with its white grille and dual headlights feels retro but refreshed, like Dodge took the best parts of the Challenger's heritage and sharpened them up for today. The long hood and short rear deck give it that classic pony car look, but the proportions are confident and modern. And when you pick a bold color, whether it's classic B5 blue, pitch black, or one of the eye-catching SRT tones, the Challenger feels like it's ready to leap off the screen. Inside, the Challenger balances old-school muscle car charm with modern tech. You still get that broad dashboard and supportive seats that feel right for this kind of car, but now you also get a big touchscreen with updated infotainment, smartphone integration, and easy-to-use controls. It's not just a retro throwback, it's a place you can spend time comfortably, whether you're cruising to a car meet or heading out for a weekend drive. Under the hood is where the Challenger really shines. Dodge offers several engine options, and for 2026, that range still includes some seriously powerful setups, from V8 Hemi power in the Scat Pack to the legendary Hellcat levels of output for those who want blistering acceleration. These engines aren't just about horsepower numbers on a chart, they deliver the deep, mechanical rumble that makes the car feel alive. Even with modern transmissions and refinements, the Challenger still feels like a true muscle car when you plant your foot. What's also interesting about the 2026 Challenger is how Dodge has kept the driving experience relevant. You get selectable drive modes, traction and launch control systems that help you make the most of the power, and chassis tuning that lets the car feel surprisingly planted even at higher speeds. It may not be a European sports car on a twisty road, but that's not the Challenger's mission. It's about straight-line confidence and big smile performance. When it comes to pricing, the Challenger remains tempting for muscle car fans. The base models offer a lot of car for the money, and even the higher performance trims tend to undercut rivals while delivering insane levels of power. Dodge has always played the value card well here. You can get into a Challenger with world-class performance without the six-figure price tag some competitors demand. In the end, the 2026 Dodge Challenger stays true to its roots. It's bold, loud, unapologetic, and fun, a car that makes you feel something every time you drive it. If you want a car with character, with presence, and with genuine muscle car performance, the Challenger still serves that up in a big way.